Everyone, this is Niga. I'm excited to show you Scope Freedom AI, our new DeFi AI platform using advanced AI to give you instant trading insights. We know traders face big challenges, missing opportunities while manually tracking tokens, wasting time gathering data from scattered sources, and lacking clear metrics to clearly evaluate new tokens. Scope Freedom AI solves these problems. It saves you time, helps you spot market opportunities and make smarter data-driven decisions. We are currently focused on new Solana tokens, but you can analyze any Solana token on our platform. Let me quickly explain our core analytics. We fetch blockchain data for tokens, calculate some complex metrics, and get 3 scores with LLM explanations: pump, risk, and survival scores. Pump score shows a token's potential rapid price increases, while risk score assesses investment dangers, and survival score estimates long-term viability. These scores give you a quick snapshot of opportunities and risks. We also provide detailed technicals like price action, volume, and trader behavior. A unique feature is chart flashback, comparing a token's coin chart to successful past launches. For instance, if a token's or HLC data looks like Moonpig chart from May 21st to May 24th, you can see how Moonpig performed afterward to inform your predictions. After analyzing, you can instantly buy, sell, or swap on the platform, and all transaction fees from these trades go directly to buy and burning our FRI token. Next, let's jump into our tokens discovery page. Here we highlight the top 3 promising tokens calculated from combined pump, risk, and survival scores, helping you spot potential winners immediately. Below that, we provide a detailed list of tokens we track. All tokens fairly launched on Pump, Bonk, Radio, Moon, and Cookmeme within the past 60 days with sufficient market cap, daily volume, and liquidity. You can easily sort and filter these tokens by various metrics. Clicking any token takes you to detailed analysis and trade page. Scope Freedom AI is in beta mode, with many exciting features coming soon: detailed holder distribution visuals, new trader insights, custom alerts for high potential tokens, better filtering, and more. Stay tuned and enjoy trading with Scope Freedom AI. Thank you.